All right, so this is the holistic guide to wellness. This is a lot of holistic, remedies. Things like acid reflux, sinus infections, infections in general, weight loss, and it basically shows it kind of has like holistic solutions to that. It has a giant glossary in the back. So if we look here, if I just look at acetaminophen, it's got acne and all kinds of Alzheimer's protocols and things like that. And then in the front, it has, basically it's all common ailments. So things that like everyone kind of has. Psoriasis, dry skin, there's like lupus protocol, multiple sclerosis. And not only does it give you the protocol, but it also kind of gives you a day-to-day schedule of what you should be following if you were, so happen to come up with this. But I got over a sinus infection, so I was using that. GERD and acid reflux, leaky gut, liver health protocol, ulcer protocol, thyroid protocol, Lyme disease protocol. I'm just kind of parasite, anxiety and stress protocol, depression. So this is all like natural remedies and things you just buy at the at your grocery store, actually, in that supplement aisle. But so, for example, for depression, they kind of talk about all the different types of things. They talk about diet as well as exercise and different types of exercise and different types of diets, things you should stay away from, things maybe you should incorporate into your thing. And then it goes into like natural remedies. So amino acids, and this is like mushroom supplements, St. John's wort. It talks about what it does and how it helps you. This one's even talking about massage therapy for depression. Interesting. Acupuncture, serotonin, SSRI. So then we'll talk about the Western medicine, like that normal stuff, chiropractic treatment for, wow. So yeah, there's a lot in here. And you can see like every page or so is a different issue that we all have, humans. Allergies, asthma, lungs, COPD, so it kind of really breaks it down. Very interesting, very easy to read. And I like that it'll actually highlight what the remedies are, so you kind of can go through and be like, no smoking, okay, humidifier, then it talks about humidifier. Nasal irrigation. Actually, I just went on to the sinus one. I was like, wow, this is weird. This is the sinus one. So this one was basically recommending some supplements that you should take if you were to have an infection. And then it'll link you over to other areas in the book where maybe they were talking about an infection. So this is very neat, something that definitely I'll go to grab if something's going on, someone has an issue, someone comes over, I got a lot of acid reflux. Here we go, I'm like, check out the book. Let's look in here. Maybe there's something here that can help you. I think it's worth a try. This is it.